Penfolds Bin 407 Cabernet Sauvignon has become something of a cult wine, hasn't it?
It certainly has, and the 2017 benefits because people know there was no Bin 707 or Bin 169 made. So the smart money is wondering where it cascaded to. The answer is Bin 407, and also Bin 389. There are countries where we just can't keep up with the demand. It's gone crazy, and I think it's a little bit unusual. It's 100% Cabernet. See, in so many other parts of the world, we use other varieties to blend into this. With 407, we just go to different vineyards, different soil types. And in this instance, in 2017, people will notice a little bit of an almost Tuscan Cabernet character to the wine, purely as a function of the climate.